Today I'll be talking about Lexus. This one's 330, RX 330, but I'm sure they're similar for the maintenance requirement light reset. So what you want to do is open the car, and also maybe Toyotas and similar Lexuses, even small cars as well, they might have similar technique to reset it. So just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help a bunch. And let's get started. So what you want to do first, is put the key in and turn the key to on position. Shows on right there, and all this lights up. So what you want to do is, you have this button right here, odometer and trip, and once you press it, this screen changes to odometer, trip A, trip B, and odometer. Leave it at odometer, what it shows. When you do that, you turn the key back once, it's on ACC, and then you go here and you hold this button. Once you press and hold the other button, while you're holding that button, you go to on position with the key. And then, so while you're holding the button and turning the key, you'll see the dashes disappear. Once those dashes are gone, it goes to zeros, all zeros, then your odometer shows. And that's how you reset it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want to see something else or any other cars. And I'll see you on the next one.